Okay, here we are. Do the first test with our little compressor here that we did a little modification to. First time I plugged it in. First time with the GoPro. Tires are at 0. Bulge it out pretty good. We're gonna bring it up, see how long it takes with this electric air compressor. Let me get my phone and we'll time it and see how long it takes. 1, 2, 3. So, well, a little short of that because I checked it 3 times. That's how long it took to go from 0 to 10 with a 49-inch tire with that compressor down there. Thanks for watching.